Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your first message on Instagram. So before we start with the video, please subscribe and like this video because it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram and then you can go to your chats. Now you could scroll all the way up so that you see all of your past messages, but that would just take some time and we're not for that. So let's say you have the message like so. If you see where it says 5G and my battery level, you can just tap on that and basically it will go to the first message. Now if you have more messages, so with this person I don't have a lot of messages, but if you have like days worth of messages, you just have to keep on tapping that eventually till you get to your first message, because it will keep loading and loading the messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.